Xiaomi 15 Ultra versus Honor Magic 7 Pro. When it comes to display size, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.73 inches, providing an immersive viewing experience with a screen-to-body ratio of around 89.7%. In comparison, the Honor Magic 7 Pro offers a slightly smaller 6.8 inches display, yet it still maintains an impressive screen-to-body ratio of 89.9%. Both devices deliver vibrant visuals, but the Xiaomi edges out with a marginally larger screen, perfect for gaming and media consumption. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra takes the lead with its versatile camera setup, featuring a main 50-megapixel wide lens and an impressive 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 4.3x optical zoom. This combination allows for breathtaking photography, capturing details from great distances. Meanwhile, the Honor Magic 7 Pro also offers a robust 50-megapixel wide lens and a 200-megapixel periscope lens, but with a slightly less powerful 3x optical zoom. Both phones excel in photography, but the Xiaomi provides more versatility for the photography enthusiast. In terms of memory, both the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and Honor Magic 7 Pro offer impressive configurations, with options of 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB of internal storage, paired with 12GB or 16GB of RAM. This means that whether you're multitasking or storing large files, both devices can handle it with ease. However, the real differentiator lies in the performance that these configurations enable, ensuring seamless app usage and gaming experiences on both devices. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra stands out with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, delivering a pixel density of around 522 ppi, making every detail pop on the screen. In contrast, the Honor Magic 7 Pro has a resolution of 1280 by 2800 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of approximately 453 ppi. While both displays are sharp, the Xiaomi's higher resolution enhances clarity and detail, especially for high-definition content. Both the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and Honor Magic 7 Pro are powered by the same formidable octa-core processor, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite. This ensures top-tier performance across both devices, handling demanding tasks and gaming with ease. The similarity in their chipsets means users can expect comparable speed and efficiency, making either choice a powerhouse. When it comes to battery life, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra packs a robust 6,000 mAh battery, designed to keep you powered throughout the day without frequent recharges. The Honor Magic 7 Pro, while slightly smaller at 5850 mAh, still offers substantial battery life. Both devices are designed to support heavy usage, but the Xiaomi gives you that extra peace of mind for those long days. In terms of build quality, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra features a luxurious glass front with an eco-friendly back option, showcasing a premium feel with its aluminum frame. The Honor Magic 7 Pro, on the other hand, also incorporates a glass front and back with Rhino glass for added durability. Both devices are built to impress, but the Xiaomi's eco-friendly materials add a unique touch to its design. As previously mentioned, both devices are equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring that users experience cutting-edge performance and responsiveness. This similarity means that regardless of which device you choose, you're guaranteed a high-performance experience. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra features an LTPO AMOLED display that supports 68 billion colors and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, ensuring smooth scrolling and stunning visuals. In contrast, the Honor Magic 7 Pro utilizes an LTPO OLED display with 1 billion colors and also supports 120 Hz. While both displays offer excellent quality, the Xiaomi's broader color range elevates the viewing experience, especially for media enthusiasts. For video capabilities, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra takes the crown with the ability to shoot in 8K at 30 FPS, alongside a range of 4K options, providing filmmakers and vloggers with incredible versatility. The Honor Magic 7 Pro supports 4K video recording at various frame rates, but lacks the 8K option. This makes the Xiaomi a better choice for those serious about video quality and content creation. Interestingly, both the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and Honor Magic 7 Pro are priced at $900, offering premium features and specifications at the same price point. This makes the decision even more challenging for consumers, as both devices deliver exceptional value for their respective capabilities. Ultimately, it comes down to personal preference and the specific features that matter most to you.